Iveco accessories options and types are as follows. STYLE-SAFETY-AERODYNAMIC accessories. Bars and lamps, luggage rack, spoilers and reflectors, toolbox, towing hooks, sun visor, wheel covers and hub covers. STYLE-COMFORT-ERGONOMIC accessories. Air conditioners, heaters, cleaning, comfort, lighting, floor mats, seat covers. Electronic connectivity, navigation and entertainment. Infotainment accessories. CB, navigation systems, radio and radio instruments, tachograph, vision set. Active and passive additional safety and security systems. Alarm accessories. Fuel tank covers, parking sensors, radar blind spot, security set and extinguishers, wheel accessories, various eMobility charging cables, extension cables and inverters.